Hello everyone, this is Jom from Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to study the complete journey of making of an architectural plan. So I have already uploaded two videos on different plans. Okay, now this plan is my ongoing project and the construction of this particular house is going to happen in, or you can say this is going to start in the month of December 2022. So before that, I'm already working on this and there are few changes that I might suggest to my clients, which I will discuss by the end of this. But so far, I'm just going to show you the complete journey as well as what is the final product that we have reached so far. Okay, so I'm just going to explain the situation to you. So first thing is the total plot that the client has is 39 feet by 65 feet. But the client is willing to construct the house in a 30 feet like wide area, and in the length he can go from 30 feet to 40 feet. Okay, so initially what we were trying to do, we were trying to construct it in 30 feet by 30 feet. So I am just going to show you the initial draft and I will explain each and every step how this plan is evolved. Okay, so you can see my screen now. So you can see this is a 30 feet by 30 feet plot, and initially what I was willing to do is to just make the master bedroom over here, the kitchen over here, the staircase over here. Okay, so initially the direction that I got was exactly opposite to what my client has suggested me, but then I visited the plot and after that I started making the changes. But initially this was the draft. So what I decided was a like rise and trade staircase, and that was dogleg. Okay, so I started the initial draft like this. Okay, then I changed the position of the staircase according to the Vastu, and so that I could figure out where should be the entrance, where should be the drawing hall, where should be the dining hall. Because the client requirement was quite simple over here, he needed two master bedrooms, or you can say two bedrooms. One should be the master bedroom, another one may be a normal bedroom, but another common toilet should be there in the house. Okay, so that was the clarity that we have discussed later. So you can see our journey started like this. Okay, so we try to elongate the space of the room, we try to decrease the space of the room. So we have tried everything that was possible over here. Then we also tried to shift the staircase. Okay, before explaining everything, I must explain you the situation that we had. Okay, so you can see in this direction they have the space of 39 feet, in this direction they have the space of 65 feet. Now in the backyard they have the extension of their old building. So on the right, the client has his own building, and the land is extended, or you can say the building is extended in this direction. Okay, then on this side, that is on the left of the plot, they have another building over here which belongs to their neighbor. Okay, so we have the space of 8 feet in the backyard. Okay, apart from that we have the 65 feet front, but the client is willing to construct for 30 feet by 30 feet or 30 feet by 40 feet, so he can just extend himself. So I tried different staircases over here. As you can see, we have also tried a L-shaped staircase so that we can maximize the space inside the house. Then you can see over here we have a toilet, and we have like left this space for the cupboard area. Okay, so you can see the journey continued like this, and we have tried everything over here. Okay, so you can see now this is like giving you idea of a particular building. So what is available in this one? So here we have one bedroom with attached with a toilet over here. So this toilet is attached to this like particular bedroom, and now this is the common toilet over here, this is the kitchen over here, this is the living area, and this is the drawing area over here, or you can say the drawing room. Then we have the staircase over here. Okay, then I drafted this plan properly over here without the windows, of course. Okay, now after drafting I realized that the whole vastu is changed. Okay, so I used the mirror command, and then I like changed the like the whole direction of my plan. I plotted it, and you can see now this is according to the Vastu over here. Now I'm just going to tell you what are the different things that are according to the Vastu. So initially the client was willing to go for two master bedrooms, and he was having already a toilet in the backyard. So he was not willing to construct one more toilet inside the house, which is like liable for the common use. So I made him understand that okay, you can have one master bedroom that is good for you, and this can be used by your parents. Now for this particular bedroom, do not keep this toilet attached, okay, because one toilet should be common over here. The master bedroom can have one attached toilet, otherwise you can simply just go with another thing. Then you can have another bedroom over here which can be used as the guest room, and you can have the living come dining area over here and the drawing room over here. So this was my suggestion according to the Vastu. So the kitchen is right according to the Vastu, and the toilet, if it is like detached from this bedroom, then it will also be good with the Vastu, okay. But this staircase is still a problem, so I'm just going to explain you the other alternatives over here. So we try to switch the flip the directions over here. So you can see the directions are flipped now, okay. So this is wrong according to the Vastu, this is the correct one according to the Vastu, and now you can see the direction over here. So I'm just going to explain you. So in the southeast direction we have this kitchen. Why this kitchen is in the southeast direction, that may have a question. So you can see the sun moves from east to west via south, okay. So this is the movement direction of the sun. So according to that, we should have the kitchen is the in the southeast direction, otherwise we can keep it in the south or in the east, okay. Otherwise there are also possible directions, but these three are good for the kitchen, and southeast is the best one. Southwest is the best for the master bedroom, which can be used by the parents of the house, or you can say the owner of the house, okay. Then this should be the guest room, and this is again at the best location. Now you can see we have this living cum dining area, and this is the drawing room. Then here is the staircase. This is not the best position for the staircase according to the Vastu, but he wanted to keep it like this, okay, in the initials of the building. So I just kept it and tried to make him understand, okay. After that, I used my hash command and I redecorated everything over here. Then you can see I have just changed the plan a little bit, and I gave him another alternative that you can attach this toilet to this bedroom to make it a master bedroom. You can use this space as a cupboard, then you can use the guest room, and you wanted to open another door in the west direction, not in this direction. So I made the changes according to his requirement. And then you can see we have a common toilet over here, which is now giving a good look to the building. So now the only thing that we had to fix is the place of the stairs. So you can see I tried to rotate it, I tried to give it anti-clockwise also, so that we can use the maximum space that is available for us. Then I gave him a few alternatives also, like you can position the main door of the building over here, you can position the second door of the building over here through the room, okay. So I just uh, gave another alternative over here. What was that? So you can just give the another door to the backyard of your building, okay. So this was basically the requirement, not the alternative over here. So he was willing to open another door in the backyard also, so that he can just stay in the contact of the backyard from inside the building. Otherwise he had a passage over here also, okay. So this was another thing. Now we shifted the staircase to the right over here, okay, and we had expanded the land and taken another 7 feet 6 inches of the land, so that we can position the porch over here, and we have given the alternative placement for the main door also. So you can see the main door position is changed. Then I also suggested him a few position of the doors in the guest room also. So you can see the door position is changed over here, and you can simply see the position. So main door is on the left over here, it's on the right over here. Then the position of the door in the guest room is like this. And then again over here I gave him another alternative that you can create a what is it, a division in the drawing cum dining room, and you can just keep them separated like this. So this was another alternative. Then we continued the journey, and this was the final plan that we have finalized, okay. So now I'm just going to discuss on this one. So you can see this is the porch area over here. Okay, and the porch is spacious, quite spacious, because it's a 21 feet 8 inches by 7 feet 6 inches. Okay, then you can see we have the stair over here, which is 11 feet by 6 feet 8 inches over here. Then you can see we have a drawing cum dining room, and this is a 13 feet 11 inches by 17 feet 6 inches, which is quite spacious for the like a building with 5 people in it. Okay, then we have a kitchen which has 2 doors. One is for the kitchen, another one is to go to the backyard of the building, and this area belongs to the owner of this building, so they needed a door over here also. Then we have a common toilet, and this common toilet is easily accessible to all the persons living in the guest room and those who are there in the dining area or even the drawing area. Then you can see for the master bedroom, we have placed the toilet over here, and the space that was left out, we have used it for the cupboard. Okay, so you can see the cupboard is finally over here. Then we have this guest room, and in the guest room, we have one door from which is opening inside the building, another door which is taking us to the passage which is on the right of the building. So on the right we have a 5 feet wide passage. Okay, so we can simply use that also. Now I told you in the beginning of the video that okay, I will also tell you one more suggestion over here. So you can see according to Vastu, this kitchen is at its best location, master bedroom is having the best location for it, the guest room is having the best location for it, but this staircase is coming in the northeast portion. As you can see the direction over here, this is the northeast portion, so this portion should not be here according to the Vastu, but this stair is placed like this only just because you can see if some event is happening in the building, so any stranger can come to this staircase and he will not have to enter the building. He can just come and go from outside the building, and he can simply reach out to the roof, because in the village area what usually happens that people have function on their roof. Okay, they do not hire any marriage hall or something. Okay, so that's why this was happening. But according to Vastu, obviously this is not the best position for the staircase. So I will also come up with another video where I will just place the staircase also according to the Vastu, and after that I will just explain that to you also. And in that video, I am just going to like guide you over a few commands that belongs to the AutoCAD. So stay tuned to Civil Raja if you want to learn the building planning and how we think when we have to like plan the building, how we have to interact with the clients. Everything can be discussed over here in our classes. So all you have to do is to simply join us, and to join us what you have to do, you have to simply give a call, or you can also WhatsApp on 8433248864, and I will guide you step by step on all the theories related to the building planning. And also if you want to learn just the AutoCAD, then you can just go to the Play Store, and over there you will see that there is an app with the name Civil Raja. You can download that, you can like get our course over there, and you can learn the AutoCAD in the simple steps. The tutorial is available in English, but if you want to go for a Hindi tutorial also, then you can also go for that. It is very easy. All you have to do is to just give a WhatsApp or call on 8433248864, and I will be there to personally guide you. You can join my professional batches, and you can also pick your own timing for the classes. The fees is minimum, and the classes will be online, so you will also get the recording, as well as you will also experience the live session. And while experiencing the live session, you can ask any question related to the building planning or even AutoCAD drafting. Also, I will continue our relation with you. Okay, so you can simply stay tuned. And if you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to Civil Raja. I will meet soon with the next video where we will discuss about the AutoCAD commands, and I will also introduce you how we can make this plan just as beautiful as possible, also with the best position of each and everything according to Vastu. Okay guys, take care, bye bye.